Sa ordinaryong Pilipino, hindi ba gulo yung hindi ka makakain ng 3 beses sa isang araw? Hindi ba gulo yung padadala mo sa ospital at wala kang pambayad, pauwiin ka? O worse, sa takot mo sa gastos, ni hindi mo sasabihin sa magulang mo o sa asawa mo, sa anak mo na may sakit ka. Kasi alam mo na kahit middle class ka, you are one hospitalization away from poverty. So rather than telling yung mga kamag-anak mo na baka may cancer ako, hindi mo na lang sasabihin. Bakit? Kasi mas gusto mo pang maayos buhay nila at makakain sila, walang tumigil sa pag-aaral, kaysa sa alagaang ka. This happens again and again. Di ba? Whether you talk about farmers who cannot eat, what an irony, di ba? Sila ang farmers pero hindi sila makakain ng 3 beses sa isang araw. We produce a lot of things in the Philippines but we export them. We cannot enjoy it here. They have to export it back to us and malaki ang tubo doon. Then you look at the stock market. Ako, I'm happy that all of these big companies have billions in profit. But when you look, for example, at your Meralco bill now and you tell yourself, paano nangyari to? Mas mataas pa to, tumalon kaso dun sa mga NBA stars sa final. And then you read na record-breaking ang tubo ng Meralco last year or next year, mababasa mo for this year. Again, it's good for a company to be profitable, di ba? But there are questions. What are the congressmen doing? What are the senators doing? What are the cabinet secretaries doing? The same thing, di ba? Sabi nung isang businessman, huwag kayong mag-alala, hindi kami magsasamantala dun sa pagtaas ng presyo ng gasolina. But by the time he said that, the oil companies already made 50 billion pesos in less than a month. What's my point? My point is that at the very least, we all agree that magulo ang Pilipinas, kailangan ayusin.